I'm looking for the fastest and easiest way to sell my home, and I keep hearing one name over and over. So I asked people, why Grandview Homes instead of a real estate agent? You two were here for a long time. What made you sell?
Well, at our age, we couldn't handle a home with so many stairs.
And you sold to Grandview Homes. What was it like working with them?
Well, everything they say in their TV ads is true and then some. Very fair price, no real estate agent fees or closing costs.
After 46 years in the same house, we accumulated a lot of stuff. It was very convenient to just leave everything.
They even switched the utilities out of your name.
Oh, that's nice. I guess they really try to make it easy.
Easy, quick and fair.
Within weeks we had closed and couldn't be happier.
Sounds like you'd recommend Grandview?
I would, without a doubt, recommend Grandview Homes.
Call or visit grandviewhomes.com. We buy every home as is, and you'll get a fair cash offer in just hours. Grandview Homes, the easiest and fastest way to sell your home.